Your dream vacation can turn into a nightmare when it comes to packing your bags at the crucial hour. Read on to find out some last-minute packing tips to make your cruise vacation truly successful. The worst nightmare for any traveler would be the dearth of time available to pack. Imagine receiving the tickets for your dream cruise liner, but at the very last moment. That would leave you enraged and with very little time to think. Cruise travel, especially for newbies, can have loads of surprises in store. And mind you, they may not always be really pleasant. So, how does one prepare himself/herself for these luxurious cruise vacations? Here are a few ideas to enable you to bring some order into your last-minute packing. Packing tips for cruise vacations. The destination of your travel holds weightage when packing for such trips. Keep comfort and practicality in mind, and do proper homework to narrow down the items required. First, check the number of days you would probably be at sea. This would determine the number of clothes you would require. If your destination is a cold one, then go in for layered clothing. Pack in some warm parkas, winter sweaters, and hats. Make sure you incorporate long-sleeved t-shirts so you can combine and coordinate between light and heavy layers of clothing. Warmer weather requires lots of pure materials like breathable cotton. During the warmer months, you can pack some shorts, skirts, and capris for comfort. Sometimes, one can witness a lot of weather changes on the way. Do be prepared for occasional showers. So pack in some rainproof jackets to protect yourself. Some cruise vacations may require you to know about any formal DOS slated for the evenings. A quick look at the brochure will help you plan some last-minute packing for this vacation. Pull out your formal wear and try to incorporate the basic black in the wardrobe. This would help you mix and match the garment with other clothing and create a whole new look. Medical care is of prime importance, as such cruises may cause the person to feel seasick at any given moment. This is more prominent in rough weather. Keep some medicines handy in your bag. Some luxurious cruise ships have their own medical centers on board. The lesser-known ones have doctors or people trained in giving medical assistance. For such cases, do purchase separate traveler's insurance to cover the medical expenses. This would also help in recovering items and last-minute cancellations. If you always experience seasickness, then remember to have some crackers and water. The idea is to keep your stomach full without really having anything heavy. This would help in stopping you from popping pills every time you feel a little queasy. Snorkel equipment is generally included with shore excursions. You can carry your own gear if you wish to spend some time on your own. When it comes to footwear, one of the must-have items is a pair of black tennis shoes. These work well for all occasions. Heels are generally uncomfortable for such journeys, especially when the ship experiences rough weather. Therefore, comfortable walking shoes are important and prove to be very useful when you want to spend the day on land. Add a bathing suit with a cover-up. Some of these items are also available on cruise liners, albeit at a higher price. Throw in a hat with a brim that will add protection to your ears. Do not forget your polarized sunglasses. Keep your basic shampoo and conditioner in your tote bag. Always include a dressy outfit in the suitcase, as it might just turn out to be useful when you want to explore any happening hangouts on the shore. Cruise vacations, although fabulous, need a considerable amount of time to plan. I am hoping the tips mentioned above saves you a sizable amount of time, and helps you to have a vacation of a lifetime.